In the heart of ancient Rome, during the golden age of the empire, there lived a philosopher-emperor named Marcus Aurelius. He was known not only for his wisdom, but also for his unwavering commitment to virtue and inner strength. One sweltering summer day, a young man named Lucius stood amidst the bustling crowds in the Roman Forum. He was a troubled soul, burdened by the uncertainties and challenges of life. As he gazed at the imposing columns and statues that surrounded him, he yearned for guidance and clarity. It was then that Lucius heard of a gathering at the imperial palace, where Marcus Aurelius himself would address the people, eager to seek answers to the questions that had plagued his mind. Lucius joined the throngs of Romans, making their way to the palace. Inside the grand courtyard of the palace, Marcus Aurelius stood atop a marble platform, his presence commanding respect and reverence. Lucius, like many others, listened intently to the philosopher-emperor's words. Marcus Aurelius spoke of the power that resided within each individual, the power of one's own thoughts and choices. He emphasized the importance of cultivating a virtuous character and the ability to find strength in the face of adversity. The true power, Marcus proclaimed, is not in external circumstances, but in how we respond to them. It is the power to choose our thoughts, our actions, and our virtues. Lucius hung on every word, his heart stirred by the profound wisdom emanating from the philosopher-emperor. After the address, Lucius made his way to the palace gardens, hoping to catch a glimpse of Marcus Aurelius up close. There, amidst the fragrant blossoms and cool shade, he encountered the philosopher-emperor in a moment of solitude. Lucius approached with reverence and spoke, "Great Emperor, I am but a humble soul, burdened by the complexities of life. Your words have touched my heart, but I do not know how to unlock the inner power you speak of." Marcus Aurelius regarded Lucius with kindness. "Inner power," he explained, "is a journey, my friend. It begins with self-awareness, the willingness to examine one's thoughts and desires. It is the daily practice of virtue and the cultivation of wisdom." Lucius listened intently, realizing that the path to unlocking his inner power was not an instant revelation, but a lifelong pursuit. Marcus continued, "Remember, Lucius, that life is a series of moments. Each moment offers an opportunity to choose your thoughts, your actions, and your character. It is in these small choices that you unlock the greatest power, the power over oneself." Lucius left the palace gardens that day with a newfound sense of purpose. He knew that the journey to unlock his inner power would be challenging, but he was determined to follow in the footsteps of Marcus Aurelius and cultivate virtue and resilience. In the years that followed, Lucius embraced the philosopher-emperor's teachings. He studied philosophy, practiced self-awareness, and sought to live a life of virtue. Slowly but surely, he felt the inner power that Marcus had spoken of awakening within him. As he faced life's challenges and uncertainties, Lucius found strength in his ability to choose his thoughts and actions wisely. He realized that, like Marcus Aurelius, he could navigate the tumultuous sea of existence with grace and wisdom. Lucius' transformation inspired those around him, and he became known not for his worldly achievements but for the inner power that radiated from his character. He understood that true greatness lay not in the external trappings of success, but in the mastery of one's inner world. And so, in the shadows of the grandeur of Rome, Lucius unlocked his inner power, a power that would guide him on a miraculous journey of self-discovery and virtue, forever shaped by the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius, the philosopher-emperor who had revealed the path to greatness through the simple yet profound revelation of the power within.